9 cubes from Lexington, Kentucky. I have no idea what that's from. I don't even know what's in this box. let's just figure it out together. I need to sharpen up my knife too before I end up stabbing myself with a dull knife. Yeah, that's very dull. All right, I want to know what's in this box. Let's get into it. What is this? Oh, I remember this. Oh, I've been waiting on this. Mini 1080p hidden spy camera, super night vision and motion sensor. Bam! Full HD 1080p video resolution, night range up to 33 feet, motion detection up to 16 feet, 360-degree rotation bracket, 6 hours of continuous daytime recording and 3 hours of night vision recording, max 1 year motion detection standby mode. Wow! This is some super spy stuff. Let's get into the package. Let's just put this right here. Let's show this little tiny box some respect. Got some little pictures on there. Let's open it up. All right. Got a little card here. Oh, we got some nice stuff. Okay, so we can donate $1 to UNICEF. Okay, let's put that right there. And you got your dear valued customer card. And then you got this. It's actually like a credit card kind of deal, but it's a VIP card. Become a Convo VIP and get a free SD card with your new product. Maybe I look into that. Okay, now let's open this up. This thing is small. Okay, wow. Okay, so you got this. Okay, so you got some 3M tape on the mount, and it's got one of these ball mounts, and it appears to be magnetic. Can you see that swivel there? So that's the 360-degree mount they were talking about. Then you got, looks like an SD card slot remover right there. And then you got some, you got your USB, micro USB charging cable. And then you got a USB 2.0 flash drive here. Wait a minute. Oh, you can put a memory card in there. Yeah, it has a memory card and then your USB right there. Some more stuff. Let's get into this thing, man. Let's just see. Oh, this is so cool. Super spy. I like spy stuff. Okay. I don't want to tear open the package too much. Oh, well, the hell with it. Let's just put that there. And then this is a tiny little cube. We're talking nanny cam type of stuff. All right, let's put that right there. Okay, so let's take a look around it. Okay, so from the back, you got a micro SD card slot, and then you got your charging port right there, your USB charging port. On the top, you got a little man walking. And I don't know, that might be a camera shutter button or something like that with those little arrows. All right. And then on the right hand, oh, that must be a reset. It says R right there. And then you got your camera lens right here in the front. All right, so I gotta figure out how to work this thing. Let me see, is there a power button? Let me cut the video. I gotta learn a little bit about this thing. I'll be right back. Shh, secret spy stuff, I'll be back. Okay. After some research, and by research I mean reading the instructions, I figured out this thing is not that hard to operate. All right, so first of all, you got to slide your SD card in there. This is an 8 GB I had laying around. You just slide that in there, face down actually. Put it in there and it kind of springs back and forth. Then you got 2 LEDs right here that'll light up. So you just press and hold this. This is your record button. So press and hold that to turn it on, and then walk away. And that's the manual recording function right there. So you can just turn it on and start recording immediately. And then if you want to do the motion detection, you do the same thing with here. You just press and hold that for 2 seconds, it turns on, and then it'll start recording, but only when there's motion. And it actually works really well. So as far as picking up the motion. And so what I found is you got your regular footage at 1080p, and then you got your nighttime footage. It's definitely viewable footage. I don't know about 1080p, it seems kind of grainy, but it's definitely viewable and usable footage if you needed it to monitor something. But what I like about it is the form factor. It's so small and discreet. It's just a little cube. You can just set it right there on a shelf or between something. And then you got this mount right here. It mounts on the bottom, so you can actually just stick this little red stuff right here. You just stick that onto something, and then you can swivel it however you need to, and then you have all your different camera angles that way. But like I said, man, it works with the motion detection, and the daytime and nighttime footage seems to be pretty well. You can actually use it for something, and it's got a really long standby time and recording time. Oh, by the way, the the SD card, only up to 32 gigs. So you can put a 32 gig memory card up in here, and then you can be as nosy as you want. Look, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, and I like super spy stuff, man. It makes me feel like I'm like a double agent or something like that. Anyways, y'all get out of here. But before y'all do, make sure you tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.